We're going to be using the Solver add-in for Excel, which comes with Excel. It's just you need to activate it. I'm going to show you how to add it in Windows. Unfortunately, I don't have a Mac to show how, but maybe we'll find a video and link to it that shows how to do it in a Mac. So first, let me show that I don't have it installed right now. I'm going to go to the Data tab here and look all the way to the right, and you see it doesn't say anything about Solver here. So I'm going to go to the File tab and then Options, and among these I'm going to choose Add-ins. And after you click that, it can actually take a few seconds to bring up this screen, so don't worry if it's taking a little while. And then under Manage, I'm going to leave it set to Excel Add-ins and press Go. And I've got a screenshot, but here's the actual dialog box. And I'm going to click Solver Add-in. The Analysis Toolpak and Analysis Toolpak VBA, those actually have some statistical methods in them, like 2 sample t-tests. They do have multiple regression, but a lot of statisticians say that the multiple regression tool has some major problems, which it does, but maybe it's better than nothing. So you might also add those in. I'm going to show adding those in because I use them in a few classes. So I hit OK, and it thinks about it for a little while. And now I'm back on the Data tab, and you can see I have Data Analysis and Solver there. And let me click on Solver, and we got a dialog box like this, and we'll be using that in a lot of other videos.